Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola Moto E40, and now I will show you how to install a protective glass on this device. So firstly, you need to power off your device. Then you need to buy protective glass for your device. I cannot find protective glass for Moto, but I will use protective glass for Samsung Galaxy A41. So cool. Firstly, we need to wrap our screen using rubber, microfiber, or towel or paper towel. So just wrap your screen. Cool. And now just remove this protective foil from protective glass and just install your protective glass on your device. Cool. Now just use the rubber to remove the bubbles. So just press on the screen to remove bubbles and cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.